mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight.
What's up mga bro, it's me Liabert and welcome back to my channel. Click the subscribe button here and also subscribe to LeenGel Vlogs for more updates. So it's been a long year since nag-post ako dito. So balik dalawa yung mga video ko dito, yung DIY ring light tutorial. So ngayon lang ako magbabalik ng post dito kasi yung mga post ko, mga bagong video, dun ko siya in-upload sa isa namin channel na LeenGel. So baka naman gusto nyo bisitahin. So yun guys, mag-unboxing lang tayo ng item na pinurchase ko sa Lazada, which is the BM800. So today 18 ko pa itong gustong bilhin pero wala akong confidence na pagmali. So ngayon lang quarantine kasi mahaba yung mga araw na pwede tayong makapag-record gamit ang BM800. So ayun guys. So bali nabili ko sa 899. So 1,116 lahat. Dala na yun ng delivery. So ayun guys. So kung vegetarian ka, i-recommend ko talaga itong BM800 kapag gusto mong magkaroon ng sariling mini recording studio sa bahay mo kasi nasa budget siya. Swak din siya sa budget nyo. Pero kung ikakaroon talaga yung pagre-recording, pag-record ng mga kanta, hindi kang makapag-upgrade.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
So mamaya itong lagay. So ito na yung microphone. So yung manual, yung warranty card, paper. Ito yung auxiliary card niya guys na XLR with 3.5mm jack. Ito yung windshield ng microphone. Ito yung shock mount ng BM800. So, lastly guys, ito na ang BM800 guys. Ayan. So, Itong shock mount guys, ilalagay mo dito guys. Ayan. Dito mo yung screw niya guys. Dito mo siya ilagay guys. I-roll mo naman ganyan. So pwede mo itong gamitin guys pag dynamic yung gagamitin mo microphone, hindi yung BM800 kasi malaki kasi yung hindi siya kakasya. Pag pinilit mo baka mo. So guys, lalagyan natin BM800 sa shock mo. Ayan guys. Kailangan nakaharap sa'yo guys ang BM800 kasi nandito yung microphone niya. Ayan, kita mo niya. Ayan guys, i-insert mo lang sa gitna guys. Ayan guys. So ito na yun guys. Pwedeng nakaganito guys o pwede rin yung nakatihaw yan. So pwede mo itong gamitin guys yung windshield. Pero di mo na rin itong pwedeng gamitin. Kasi dodoble yung mga shield niya so lalong hihina yung pick up ng microphone. So kung ito lang gagamitin nyo, pwede lang ito lang. At kung ito rin naman, ito lang din. Wala nang iba. Bawal to time. Ito hindi ko na gagamitin ito. So ito lang yung gagamitin natin. So itatapat nyo yung kung saan yung microphone. So ito yung auxiliary cord nyo guys. So ipasok mo itong plug na ito guys. Ito sa ilalim ng BM800. So ngayon guys, i-check natin yung pick up ng microphone. So ang gamit ko ngayon ay ang Boya MM1. So ito yung sound ng BYMM1. Hello guys. Ayan. So i-connect natin yung i-connect mo yun sa phone. Ay, bale guys, hindi siya gumagana pag direct to phone guys. Kasi sinubukan ko siya, hindi siya gumana. So bumuli ako ng ganito guys. Ng ganito. Audio splitter para gumana yung BM800. So ayan guys. Hello guys, naririnig nyo ba ako guys? Hello guys. So ito yung audio ng BM800 guys. All those days watching the daydream, all those years outside looking in, all those days never even knowing just how blind I've been. So ayun guys, ang audio na guys. So walang mga effects guys, walang reverb, walang echo guys. So ayun guys. So yun na yung audio ng BM800 guys. So meron pa akong isang item na hinihintay, yung V8 sound card para gumanda yung BM800 natin. So hindi pa siya dumating. So muna ko na lang tong buksan at i-set up. So bago kayo bumili guys, check nyo yung laman ng BM800. So open nyo yung. So ito yung sinasabi kong board guys sa BM800. Kasi yung iba kasi nagbibenta ay walang board. Ang board kasi yung nagpapaganda ng BM800. So yung iba kasi may wire lang na diretso sa auxiliary port to the microphone. Walang board guys, baka hindi siya gagana ng maayos. So mag-download din kayo ng open camera guys. Ito guys. Kasi may mga settings na pwede yung external mic. Kasi yung hindi kasi gumagana pag default camera ng phone. So yun lang guys. So shout out guys. So shout out kay Jumi Silverdinas, shout out kay AG Stewart Cantona guys. Visit their channel guys, Ter TV. And shout out to Eric Dave M Covers. Guys, listen to his new cover guys, Unli Floji. Visit their channel. Visit his channel. So shout out to It's Me Sarsi's vlog channel. Sarsi Abakita guys, visit their channel. So shout out sa squad, JBO, Yusuf Mark, Lourdes Retes, Winchell, Shimper, Stratos, Rena Tuel, Hila Aubrey, Alvin, Teresa Sumayang, Angeli Mundayan, and Angelin. So shout out kay John Paul Reyes and shout out kay Harold Sabali. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much sa mga subscribe sa akin guys. Thank you so much guys. I'm so very thankful na subscribe kayo guys. And thank you so much sa mga napa-shoutout. Thank you so much sa lahat po. And it's good to be back here in this channel. And see you next vlog. But that's all for today guys. That is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much and goodbye.